Welcome to 1340L, a two-bed, two-bath apartment at 1340 Brook Street in St. Charles. Nice sized living room, wood-burning fireplace. We have a balcony to sit and enjoy some fresh air. As we rotate around, by the entry, we have probably the most important door in the apartment, and that is the side-by-side full-size washer dryers, followed by the entry closet. And now check out this large dining area. Great for a 6-seat table. Very nice cabinetry. Stainless steel appliances. Fridge, stove, dishwasher, exhaust hood. And as a special little bonus at the end of the kitchen, we have a very nice pantry. Lots of room. Check out the nice kitchen counters. So let's leave the dining and kitchen area, another peek at the living room, and go down the hall. And here we have the first bathroom. Very good size. Shower and tub. And as we go down the hall on the left, we have a large linen closet, because you can never have too much storage. Second bedroom, very generous size, nice and bright. Nice glass mirror doors. As we walk over to the principal bedroom, central heat, central air. Again, a really good size. This one is 14 by 12. The other one was 12 by 11. Nice relaxing view of the window. How's this for a nice walk-in closet? And right next door to it, we have your own private bath. So nobody's gonna go through your medicine cabinet. So that's 1340L Brook Street, St. Charles. Very convenient location, close to Randall and Main Street. Walk to Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, and Oberweis Dairy, and lots of other pubs and restaurants. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you.